Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing well at home. I'm your English teacher, Miss Iramnas, and today we will do our Broadway course book. So take out your Broadway course book quickly. Ji, my dear ones. So what is our today's task? Today we will read poem Who Has Seen the Wind, page number 47 and 48 of our Broadway course book. So grab your pencils and open page number 47 and 48. Before beginning of the poem, I will just give a brief introduction that what exactly is a poem. A poem is a piece of writing that expresses feelings and ideas using imaginative language. People have been writing poems for thousands of years. A person who writes a poetry is called a poet. यानी पोएम कहते हैं नज़म को। जैसे आपने उर्दू में भी कई नज़में पढ़ी होंगी, बिल्कुल इसी तरह इंग्लिश में भी कुछ ऐसे वर्सेस लिखे जाते हैं जो कि कुछ रियलिटी बेस्ड होते हैं और कुछ इमेजिनेटिव लैंग्वेज यानी कि ख्याली बातें होती हैं जो कि पोइट जो होता है वो एक्सप्रेस करता है अपनी फीलिंग्स के बारे में। सो लेट अस बिगिन। Today we will read our poem Who Has Seen the Wind by Christina Rossetti. So who is Christina Rossetti? Christina was an English poet who was born in 1830 to 1894. She was born in London, England, and her nationality was British. She belonged to a family who were full of poets. Even his father, her father, her brothers, everyone used to write poetry. So since childhood, she also had a special interest in poetry. She wrote many poetries, fiction, non-fiction poetries, and it was very popular. In her poetry, she used to express some devotions, romance, and some children's poem. So today we will read her poem, Who Has Seen the Wind? Ji, my dear ones, so before beginning of the reading of this poem, make sure that you write date and day on top of the pages. So let us start reading. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. है ना कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग पोएम ये? So let us start reading again. Grab your pencils and now we will underline the difficult words. Who has seen the wind? किसी ने हवा को देखा है? Wind किसको कहते हैं? हवा को। अगर हमें लेकिन हमें पता कैसे चलती है? If you cannot see the wind, how do you know that it is there? कैसे पता चलता है? Let's start reading again. Now you repeat after me. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Very good, excellent. यहाँ पे ट्रेम्बलिंग का मतलब है शेकिंग, यानी किसी चीज को, जैसे आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कैसे ट्रेम्बल होना यानी अप एंड डाउन मूव करना। जैसे अगर आपको सर्दी लग रही हो और आप शिवर करते हो तो आप आपकी बॉडी मूव करती है ना, इसे ट्रेम्बल करती है। तो दैट इज कॉल्ड बेसिकली शिवरिंग इज ऑल्सो रिजेंबल्ड एज ट्रेम्बलिंग। एंड बाउ का मतलब बाउ डाउन देयर हेड का मतलब है सर को झुकाना। जैसे आपको नजर आ रहा है दिस द गर्ल हेड इज बाउ डाउन। जैसे अगर हम जब कौमी तराने में भी देखते हैं We also bow down our head when the last verses come. So let's start the explanation of the poem. Who has seen the wind? किसी ने हवा को कभी देखा है? Neither you nor I. ना मैंने ना आपने. But when the leaves hang trembling, लेकिन जब पत्ते जो लटके होते हैं ट्री से, जब वो ट्रेम्बल करते हैं, जब वो शेक करते हैं, तो wind is passing through, इसका मतलब है कि हवा वहां से गुजर रही है. Who has seen the wind? किसी ने हवा को कभी देखा है? Neither you nor I. ना आपने ना मैंने. But when the trees, लेकिन जब दरख्त bow down their heads, जब वो bow down their heads, इस पोजीशन में मूव करते हैं, like bow down like this, the wind is passing by, हवा वहां से गुजर रही होती है. जैसे this is the kite flying because the wind is blowing, and the leaves is also moving like this when it's windy. आपने नोट किया होगा कि बहुत सारे leaves, आपके clothes, बहुत सारी चीजें, even आपके hairs, आपको पता चलते हैं कि ये हवा चल रही है, it's windy, everything is flying. So it's such a wonderful poem. Now let's proceed further. G, my dear one, so before beginning of this page, make sure that you write the date and day on top of the page. Learn to enjoy the poem. Question number 1. Has anyone seen the wind? क्या कभी किसी ने हवा को देखा है? आपने कभी देखा है? मैंने तो कभी नहीं देखा. So I will write no over here because no one can see a wind. Question number 2. Complete this sentence. You know that the wind is passing by when. कब कब पता चलता है? हमने पोइम में 2 जगह हमने पढ़ी थी कि कौन सी जगह कैसे पता चलता है that the wind is passing by? When the leaves hang trembling, या फिर दूसरी चीज क्या थी सोचें, और वो आपने दोनों लाइंस यहाँ पे लिखनी है. ठीक है, you have to find those lines and write it over here. Now let's come to the activity part. List 3 other ways of knowing when the wind is passing by. Example, when pieces of paper on the playground start flying. जब कागज से कुछ छोटे छोटे टुकड़े जब जमीन पे गिरे होते हैं, प्लेग्राउंड में गिरे होते हैं, और जब वो उड़ना शुरू हो जाए एकदम, तो आपको क्या पता चलता है that the wind is passing by, कि यहाँ से हवा गुजर रही है. और कौन सी 3 ऐसी एग्जाम्पल्स आप लिख सकते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लिख सकते हैं when the clothes start flying, when the kites start flying, when the hairs start flying. यानी आप कुछ भी यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लिख सकते हैं जिससे आपको ये इंडिकेट हो कि उस एरिया से क्या पास कर रही है. The wind is passing by. Now let's take a quick wrap up. Today we read a poem on page number 47 and 48 of a Broadway course book. Do your exercise very carefully, and the writing should be very neat and clean, and please don't forget to put the date and day on top of the pages. That is all, my dear students. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for new notifications and updates. This is Miss Iramna signing off. Inshallah, I'll see you in my next lecture. Till next time, Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.